Hello everyone, welcome in. So today we're going to be reviewing this Shake and Go wig by HerGivenHair. All right, let's get right into it. This is their Kinky Coily hair in the color Natural Black. My favorite feature on this wig has to be the very top of this wig. There's a little bit of lace at the top. You can get that illusion of a part, and it just makes the unit look that much more natural when it's on. This one actually came with the bangs cut already. This is how it looks on the inside. It has combs, and it also has a strap in it as well. And last but not least, it also has a drawstring on the bottom. This is how it looks coming out the box. No, she's not ready to go. You do have to do a little work on it, but you know, that's okay. I did go ahead and wash the unit really well. Now that it's been washed, I'm gonna go ahead and brush this hair out, and I'm gonna do some twists. I'm gonna be using a little bit of conditioner and water. So I did make sure I separated the bang from the rest of the hair so that way it doesn't get mixed in there. So just kind of keep it separated. I even separated as I was washing the hair. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, these are like medium-sized twists, not too big, not too small. And this is just a nice little touch I like to do. I like to get one of my favorite perfumes and just spray it on. I like to spray it on right before I dry the hair. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put this baby on, and I'm going to start taking my twist down. So the main point of this was to mainly stretch out the hair. You're gonna wanna take a pick and pick it out from the roots. The curls are a little bit more defined, but I noticed that it didn't stay defined. However, the hair was a little bit wet, so that could be why it wasn't as defined as it could be. You know what? I didn't mind that. I don't mind the fro look, so this is exactly what it's going to be today. Today is going to be a fro. All right, and so now I have my drawstring, and I'm just gonna tighten that up so that the wig is nice and secured. So I wanted to play with this unit a little bit and see what I could do with it. So I decided to do these two twists on the side. Now, if you want, you can leave it down like that. You can pull it back, put some pins, you know, whatever style you like. Just play around with it. But I end up pulling those twists up, and I wanted to give it more of like a push back type of look. So I'm going to just pull the twist up, and I'm going to pin them in place so that way it kind of, you know, gives that push back look, and you can kind of see the bang a little bit more. see that lace at the top, so it gives that natural look. There's the back. And this was the final look, guys. I really loved it. I think this look is perfect for, you know, on the go. It's literally a shake and go. Like, shake the hair and you're ready to go. This is all you have to do now that it is stretched out. Very easy. You don't have to worry about any lace, any gels, any glues, none of that stuff. Your hair is protected. The wig isn't going anywhere. It's secured. So you gotta love that. And I'm just gonna give it another shake test. Look at that. Might lose an earring like I just did. My earring fell out. Okay, so look. You might lose an earring, but as you can see, the unit is still in place. The unit didn't go anywhere and it's still intact. Here's another look that I did for Halloween with added edges, but this is the same unit. All I did was add some edges on the front. And as always, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.